what's up, you guys? I am Kammeshia Davis. I am your digital wealth and life protection specialist. I educate and you decide. And this is insurance without the pitch. Why this matters. Protection is a wealth tool. It shields income, gives families quick liquidity when life flips the script, and helps move money cleanly to the next generation. There are two lanes: term, big coverage, low cost, it's a set number of years, and then there's permanent, lifelong protection with the potential cash value if designed right. My process is simple. I give you a quick discovery, I set clear options, and you choose. Say for instance, there's emergency. We have single moms that have small policies. They can use the cash value in their policy to bridge a tough time in the month. No high interest cards, no panic. If you hear someone say, I don't want probate drama, send them this presentation. There is retirement flexibility. Properly designed policies can create optional income later. So you don't have to worry about selling your investments in a down market. If you know someone that's worried about outliving their savings, send them this presentation. There is always protection today and options for tomorrow. So go ahead, book you a pressure free session. The link has been posted on the screen. Again, my name is Kammeshia, the Wolfette Davis. And also, I do want to let you know that this is for educational purposes only. This is not tax or legal advice. Benefits generally are income tax free. Design and features vary by carrier and state. And also, stay tuned. I will be giving you a little bit of history into the wolf prints of the wolfette and how, this story all came to be what it is, how I decided to create the Wolves of Wealth Street Digital Leadership Academy, how I decided to become the wolfette. And if you're ready, go ahead and stay tuned.